stations always creeping, left its seats while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless streets I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the hill of a street lamp. I turn my corner to the corner, and my eyes will stare by the flash of the neon lights. Spent the night and touched the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one there disturbed the sound of silence. Fools that I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you, take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops fell, echo in the well of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the signs flashed out its morning, and the words that it was forming, and the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway wall. Tapping home, whisper in the sound of silence.